So the state of affordable housing in Fairfax County is one where housing prices have continued to increase. Fairfax County is a great place to live. It has very high quality schools, access to jobs, recreational opportunities. So this has led to a high demand for housing in Fairfax County, which has then resulted in very high housing prices. The average rent in 2015 was over $1,700. And so a family would need to make at least $70,000 a year to affordably make those rent payments. The industry standard is that families should pay no more than 30% of their income in rent every year. In Fairfax County, thousands of people are paying more than 50% of their income in rent. So what this leads to is that families are making very difficult decisions about how to spend the rest of the funds that they have. So they're making tough calls on how to pay for their child's education, childcare, and even basic needs like food and shelter. So the county is now working to address affordable housing by developing a community-wide housing strategic plan. The strategic plan will set forth the county's vision for developing affordable housing in the future. It'll be a roadmap for the next 5, 10, and 15 years. We'll quantify the housing that's going to be needed to accommodate the population growth that we're expecting over that time period. So several initiatives have already been underway that the strategic plan will build on, including the strategic plan to facilitate economic success, the Human Services Needs Assessment, and the county's recently adopted One Fairfax resolution. We really hope that the community will be engaged in this effort to help Fairfax County and our Board of Supervisors in terms of how we can develop housing that's affordable to everyone in Fairfax County. We'll have several ways for people to get involved, including community meetings, an online survey, and several other resources that will be available on our strategic plan website. And that website is www.fairfaxcounty.gov/RHA/communityhousingplan.htm.